Okay, central heating air was making a racket. It sounded like it was about to fly apart, so had to come around here and check it. And look what we find, a big chunk of ice on the blade there. So it was out of balance. So now I guess I'll melt it off with a torch. That way, if you don't burn no water or nothing, but heat it up and then get the piece of ice off here. It's like 21 degrees out here, so it may take a few minutes. And there it went. So the ice is gone. Now it'll be back in balance and I can turn it back on. Stay warm.